Zen's Mowers. Today I'm still working on this Bilt Tough Cut 210. I did make a video on me replacing the engine brake cable. With the piece I had taped towards the end of the video was this cable tensioner. This holds both your drive cable and your engine cable. The piece where the engine cable sits broke, so yeah, I had to buy a new one for about 22 bucks. That's fine though. That's the piece that goes in the handle I'll be showing you soon. Now, I'll tell you guys right now, this is not a backyard mechanic's job if you don't know what you're doing, because I had to take the self-propel cover off and take the cable out. And when you buy this part, this cable for your self-propel, that's molded in with this holder, so you can't just buy cables in separate parts. But yeah, I'll go and I'll get this on and describe it how I did it. Thank you. I got the self-propel cable on. This cable, the J-hook up here on the idler arm, and there's a tensioner back here which holds this cable in place. Yeah, I'll have to figure that out, but this collar just slips in and locks, which it's not doing right now, so I'll figure that out. Then I gotta put the engine brake cable on while I'm down here. Of course, I've been through that in the video that I made on this mower before this, so I'll post that link in my description along with our Facebook link. But let me get this hooked up and I'll be back. Just getting the last of this video, and we're going to go through and describe how I did this. That's the tension spring for the self-propel. Now when you break these collars when replacing your choke cable, you always have to get a new one. And you also get a new self-propel drive cable. Now there's a push pin here. It won't push now, but you just slide this bracket on and it pops in. Then there's the cables that's going under the cover. I've got some loose ends under there I've got to tighten up. I won't do that here on camera. I've already showed you how to put the choke cable on, and once more, I'll leave that link in the description along with our Facebook link. Also, before we go, the parts number for this part, if you're going to replace this, I'll leave this in the description too. It is 946-0-1112A. I will leave that in the description. Thank you for watching my videos. There is much more coming. As you see, there's a new go-kart here, and I'll be making that video while I'm out here in the shop. So like us on Facebook, like the YouTube videos, comment as you please, and subscribe to our channel for more.